right, welcome today, everybody. We are, that didn't make any sense. We're going to be continuing to push towards a demo day with the e-reader website. And we've got too terribly much left to do here. Just working on getting analytics working on the site through PostHog. And fixing off some of the last little things with getting some of the clerk user data from or user data from clerk that we can show on the front end. So if you'll join me, I've got my fresh homemade chai latte right here, and we'll have our sip of the day. Excellent, excellent. All right, let's get started. Okie doke. So, unfortunately, right now I'm basically stuck on some really stupid thing going on here. It's some kind of like TypeScript import error, or the way I'm grabbing this PostHog provider. This is just from the like demo code. It is not working correctly. And I have not seen enough like of the TypeScript sort of errors, like syntax errors like this. So I unfortunately do not know how we're going to fix it, but we'll figure it out. So first, like, it's wholly possible that this is all some kind of like fake problem here that is getting introduced just by like the way that this is spaced out. Unfortunately, that was not it. Or it doesn't look like it. Yeah, alright, that sucks. Yeah, so it does not like me putting that passing in the parameter to this thing here, but like, why? Why is the real question? Because I'm importing that. See, look, and then that does not work here. What if I like just rewrite this? And that might be part of the problem, is the way the return looks too. Might be effing things up. No, I think that's the way it's supposed to look. Okay, so we will PostHog provider. So that is not showing up. Cannot use namespace as a type. See, so this is why I was thinking that whatever's going on here is like a stupid, is like an import problem. That's very strange. Because like I'm using like these are not types, these are components, right? So I think it should be like that, but then it doesn't like it for some reason. And all this is like right from the PostHog website, of course, too. So I'm not sure like why, what part of that is not copacetic here. Also, what the hell is that little lady down there? Yeah. What's the pages route? Oh my god. Look how much more stuff is in there. Alright, we'll stick to that one. Yeah, I don't know. Hence why I asked Grok, because this seems like in the class of stupid problems that basically that only you have as a new JavaScript person. Let's see. Because that's the same name as your component. Oh, so is there a larger version of this? PostHog page view. Alright, let's just read the whole page first before we get too far down the rabbit hole here. Okay. Yeah, so initialize the library, provide the provider, right? Capturing page view. Okay. Alright, so let's go grab this then. Okay. So, likes that. It's good. Then we can grab this again. Oh, they didn't provide a TS version of that? PostHog? Come on. Hold up. Well, that's not the name of the exported function here. Yeah, there's like some like weird stuff going on with this example code here. Accessing PostHog using the provider. So this is some server-side rendering stuff. So I think I need both, right? How about yeah, let's not do this. This looks a little nasty. Is it that, like, I don't think it's that I'm missing this module, because I just installed, like, PostHog.js. Maybe it's the React one. Oh, interesting. But I would think that it's like in my node modules folder, right? Because it was showing up, I think, in this autocomplete here. Yeah, so I'm grabbing it. I don't not have this code, but I don't know why like that doesn't work. That is mysterious to me. This one I get, right? Did they change? Oh, did they change like the name of client to something else? No. Is it like something really dumb, like the way I'm passing in props into that thing? Very well could be. No, that's the way you're supposed to pass that in. Yeah, why can't you find the name client? Is being used as a type here. Now why would that not work? Now, like I could try to just move this in to my layout directly and just add that use effect there. But actually I don't know if I can do that because I have these client-side keys now that the layout component would be providing all the way down. So does that, I don't know if that works like that. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on here. Alright, let's take a look at this. Oh, this is with the pages router. Or is it? Yeah, I don't know why that wouldn't be working. Also, let me star PostHog. I already did that. Yeah, I don't know. Mr. Grok here, could not really figure anything out. Maybe it is like some weird package JSON thing. I'm not familiar with really how like ESLint stuff works either, so that's like ECMA, right? And that's what it is. That's the error message I'm seeing browser side. But honestly, no clue what the hell is going on there. So what are we looking for? We want PostHog. Excuse me. I thought I got rid of some of these. No, there's nothing like type module. Yeah, I am using type module. And like these, like this should just work with that, I'd imagine. Yeah, I don't know what the hell the problem is here. It's not like that part. React children react node. That could conceivably be it as well, right? Read only children react node. Oops. So, what if we do that? Refers to a value but being is used as a type Cannot use namespace PostHog provider as type. Oh, look, now this is pointing to a totally different freaking thing. So maybe it is confused there, right? What are we looking for? PostHog? So let's see. Oh, this is looking in the wrong place. Oh, this is very annoying. Ah, man. Fucking JavaScript, man. Alright, cause look, like I import clerk provider like that. Okay, so let's just try. Let's try importing PostHog provider like that, and we will go and grab this use effect here. And we will, oh fuck. Yeah, but this is not gonna work, 'cause this is now, yeah, shit. Oh, that's very annoying. Yeah, because that will not work. Like, is there just something wrong with the PostHog provider, like, module that they're shipping? That would be ridiculous. Is it something dumb like, no, I want PostHog again. Okay. Yeah, so we installed it, added it to our .env. What is so busted here? All right, so because if I'm to look at, like, all right, well, let's get rid of that again. If we just take this thing in vanilla and fix our environment variables. Right. Was that? No. Conceivably, it could have been like a semicolon thing, maybe. Could be. Oh my god. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, that's stupid. Oh my god. Yeah, and then this one doesn't exist anymore, right? Oh, fuck me. Oh, that's dumb. That is really dumb. Okay, well, well, at least we got that working. Function PostHog provider. That. No. Shit. Okay, now we got a different problem here. That's good. That's much better. It's a much better problem to have. Let's see. Now this could probably just be like this. Provider says no export member PostHog provider. But I'm pretty sure it does though. Default function PostHog provider. Right? Do I need to get rid of the default? All right, out of chai. So, better get this cracking here. So how's that possible? There's no... What is now core is erroring? That's a little disturbing. At assets PostHog. Oh, interesting. Look at that. So we're getting somewhere. Let's rerun that. Export function, PostHog provider. fight tooth and nail with frickin' Node here to get things work. Okay, well let's take a look at that suspense crap. So posthogs page view.tsx. Okay, yeah, I screwed that one up. All right. Yeah, the way it's like doing imports on this thing is a little screwed up. I don't know why. Accessing PostHog using Weber. Now, that is not going to just work, is it? Yeah, I don't know why. So PostHog is still getting like cores blocked or something. Let me go check. I want to go check on my dashboard to see if I'm capturing any events yet. Now, it does not look like it. Check installation. No. Okay. So I think when I made it say default, I think that screwed things up. Like, I think that is true that it would not have worked. But then I don't know why this doesn't work. Yeah, it's weird. I think I can pop this open. But yeah, the PostHog example code here is also different from their learn doc, which is kind of annoying. Oops. Hmm. See, so it's not finding providers, it looks like. Hmm. Yeah, this is something's going on with the like the next layout aliasing shit that is making that freak out. So maybe I should not have this because now I think, oops. I think this is like a valid route now. Yeah, something not quite right here. What the hell? Blocked by, oh my god, I'm blocking my own freaking tracking. Whoops. Here, let's turn all this crap off. Oh, so maybe that does work now. Yeah, let me check. Oh, installation complete. Oh shit. Alright, I think I got something working here. Oh, hold up. Oh. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, snap. Alright, I was able to scrape. I have like location data on myself. That's cool. Alright. Events. Alright, let me pull this up. So if we have this guy here, let's see. So we'll just like do a bunch of crap. Blah blah. Show. Okay. And then let's like get rid of that. Ooh, error has occurred. Uh-oh. Okay, hold up here. let's take the server down for right now too. Sorry if this part is not very interesting to look at, but I don't know what this thing is going to pop open with. That will dox me. So, we're going to play it safe here. Disconnect, reset ports, reason overflow. Oof. All right. It looks like, oh shoot. All right. Unfortunately, I've got to remove all my nice privacy extensions. That is very annoying. Fuck. Yeah, so that's not good. The reason overflow. Okay. So it's possible I sent way too many events to PostHog and they just limited me. Now that would be very bad if that's the case, because I have no idea what kind of crap I would be doing that would cause that. Okay, well, well, it appeared to work, so I'm gonna commit that. Yeah. Added PostHog initial version. Because at least I was able to scrape data on who is using it. So that is something. And hopefully when the PostHog site lets me back in, I can I can check some of the other analytics we're generating. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, so that's good. I think if we'll check my task board here. All right, we've got. So I think the last thing I need to do before we need to go do some more backend stuff is try to fix grabbing some of the foreign user data from Clerk. So let's just blow away some of this stuff for now that we don't need. Okay. So basically, the thing we're trying to do is quite simple. We're just trying to grab the we're grabbing like the user ID which is created by Clerk for all of our posts. We need to be showing the display name of that instead. So ideally we'd go and have go grab and filter by all the usernames that are in there, but we have no users right now, so I'm just going to do it the very lazy way. And just go grab like a whole list of them, the list of like every user, and then just like search by that. So hopefully that all just works. Okay. I do want to check on Twitch really quick because I have. All right. Okay, yeah, everything appears to be copacetic over here. Oh, damn it. Looks like I gotta type in a login code. All right. Uh-oh. My thing failed deployment. That's probably because I changed and added a bunch of environment variables, I would imagine. Yeah, exactly. All right, so give me a sec to go resolve that there. Which means I'm going to have to leave you with a blank screen for now again. Okay. And then I'm going to need to copy this over to my other place. All right, and let's retry that deployment. Oh, I think we're chilling. Oh. All right, excellent. So we got prod back up and running. That's good. Okay, so we can go ignore that for now then. Let's go check PostHog again. See if that is back up and running. Ooh, I get some nice stuff. I get daily active users on here. Page funnel. Oh, that's pretty cool. No page view or page leave events. Okay, so I get session duration, so that's good. Attention, visitors. Okay. Session replay. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so we got some good stuff on here. All right, so PostHog does appear to be fully working. That's awesome. Fantastic. We still got another hour left before we gotta go to work here. so all right, I'm gonna try to get this clerk thing working. We'll see. We'll see if it ends up happening. And then that's like pretty good shape for stuff done this week. Okay, so what do I need to do? So I think I need to turn this into a server component. Um, oops. Okay. Oh. So we get that. Got that. Now, can I do that? No. That doesn't make any sense. Type promise, not silent. Yeah. Now, will that work? Ooh. Uh-oh. We broke it. We broke something. So it's possible. Well, rendering a different component user lists. Yeah, it looks like we've created like basically an infinite rendering loop. So let's get rid of that. One sec. Excuse me. All right, let me just go get some water real quick. Take a quick break here. Didn't get it that time. And then refill my cup. All right, so be right back. We can hopefully try to finish this part off. And we're back. I've got to figure out if and how I can play non-copyright music on stream, because it's very, very sad not having any music playing while I do my coding. But I am too worried about YouTube copyright striking me if I have something playing. So it's life. It's a problem to go fix at some point, but okay, so what are we doing? We're trying to figure out server functions here, right? So I think on Next, on like the Next.js doc, they have something for that. Okay, server components, right? So one thing I don't quite understand is, like this, basically what turns things into client component. So your tree looks like, I think basically all server components, like all the way down until you hit a client component, and then everything under that is a client component. Does that sound right? Yeah, I'm not sure on that one. Yeah, so how should I make that whole, I think that whole sidebar needs to be a component, right? So we should pull it out of here. Unfortunately, that's going to create some problems, right? So I have my selections bar right now being rendered on the right of all like the different posts people have made in, excuse me, in this thing. Excuse me. And I think that should be a server component because that is pulling all the back end stuff, right? But the issue is that I need to share some information from that to the actual book itself. so that we can figure out like what to highlight. And also, if we were to display here like what the content of the highlighted text is, I have to grab that, and then that would have to go back to the server, right? So, and I don't think I can turn, or I don't know if I can turn this whole thing into a server component, because this is all, or it's interactable to the point where you can like highlight stuff, right? You can click these buttons. Now these buttons could come out and those could stay as like client things, right? I don't know. So I am also, again, I'm pretty new React dev here, so maybe I'm overthinking like what the hell is going on here. But because the problem in front of me I'm trying to solve is I just want those usernames to go display out on the screen here. But to do that, and to work with all of the React and Next crap, I've had to inherit, I'm having to now inherit a design pattern here of splitting things up into client server side rendering, which is not great. I would prefer to not have to think about that to just get this post working. We'll try to figure it out. Okay. So let's see here. Like, I think React server functions are a different thing. So can I just like make that into a server only function? Server action. Okay. Call async functions executed on the server. Okay. All right. So let's try this. So creating a server function from a server component. Let's try doing it like this then. Yeah. So we'll just like make it into a button, just because. And now I think this is wrong, so I think I have to turn this into a was, right? Okay, so let's see here. Sorry, what the hell is that saying there? That's not English. When React renders the empty note server function, it'll create a reference to the create note action function and pass that reference to the button client component. Let's click to request server. What? Importing server functions from client components. render loop. So forms are forms like some special HTML thing that does allow for like better reactivity than some like the more primitive elements. That's the sense I get. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna need to probably off stream go read through all the server component doc because I'm kind of horribly confused here by whatever is going on with this thing. So and that's gonna take some time to go read. I don't know if that's the most interesting thing to do on stream here. So instead of that, how about we do something fun? All right, and that is, let's take a look at some rendering code. All right, so here is the render test for the Jai programming language, secret beta, by the way. And I had just started working on porting some of my like game entity system code into here. What I would like to do is try to get like input working on here, get the input module working. That sounds like something I can't get done in half an hour though. So honestly, we did pretty good today. We got PostHog working. I think honestly I might call it a little early, and see if I can hop on a call with my buddy who's doing the back end stuff and sync up with him, so we can get some better things done, and hopefully we're trying to close off this demo. We're getting there. We're pretty close. We're getting more and more pretty close every day. Yeah, so I'll do that. I guess thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. And hopefully, we're gonna have something working, something with for all of you lot to go play with sometime soon. Special shout out to the 2 people currently viewing me on Twitch. Thank you very much. Hopefully, the stream has been interesting. If you have any ideas or feedback on how to make the stream better, those are all greatly appreciated. Make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube and Twitch. Follow, whatever it's called. And truly, thank you all for watching. Thank you for listening, and I wish you well on your coding and developing and gaming for the rest of the day today, and all the days beyond that. I gotta work on my outros. All right.